Belief. Narrated by Aisha. Whenever Allah's Apostle ordered the Muslims to do something, he used to order them deeds which were easy for them to do according to their strength and endurance. They said, "O Allah's Apostle, we are not like you. Allah has forgiven your past and future sins." So Allah's Apostle became angry and it was apparent on his face. He said, "I am the most Allah-fearing and know Allah better than all of you do." Narrated by Anas. The Prophet said, "Whoever possesses the following three qualities will taste the sweetness of faith. 1. The one to whom Allah and His Apostle become dearer than anything else. 2. Who loves a person and he loves him only for Allah's sake. 3. Who hates to revert to disbelief, atheism, after Allah has saved him out from it, as he hates to be thrown in fire." Volume 1, Book 2, Hadith 20.